Guys, what's up? It's Jonathan Ballard 14 here, and today welcome to another video. We're gonna be doing a toy review, which I got this figure yesterday. I went to downtown and I found Target, and I was wondering, I'm gonna go inside and see if they got any new toys. So I went to look up the WWE figures, and all they got is pretty old stuff. They have like 2 packs old, and they have Elite Bo Dallas. That's all I have. I was expecting a Elite Seth Rollins. If I can find it, I can't. But instead, I found this amazing figure that looks so unique and rare. They call him Demolition Man, and I was like, Demolition Man. I have never heard of this guy. So instead, I'm also a fan of Marvel, so he's a Marvel as well. A villain of Captain America. Sorry guys, I heard something weird. Hello? Sorry about that. Heard some weird noises. Sorry about that. So what I was saying is that so he's a villain of Captain America, and in the box is there's Taskmaster. There's all those other figures to collect, and once you collect them all, you build a figure called Red Skull. He's using a robotic suit. It looks pretty cool. I want to see him in action. That's what I want to see. So, alright, so let's review him. So here we have accessories. Here we have his weapons. He carries a shotgun with a holder to help him reload faster, and got this shoulder thingy, like to carry it. That way it won't flew away. And he has those aside bullets. You can tell, and he has like an aiming thingy, and that's where he reloads. This is where he reloads. Looks pretty cool. Never know Demolition Man carry guns. I mean, to be honest, I don't know Demolition Man. I heard of him, but I don't know what he looks like. So then I found out this is what he looks like. I was like, oh wow, he looks pretty badass. Here we have his pistol. I don't know what kind. It's just a regular one. It's brown and yellow. I don't know what kind is it. If you guys know what kind is it, let me know. If you're good with gun names. And sorry guys, I just keep hearing noises. It's probably from upstairs. So and then we have this pocket knife, or it's just a knife. Black. It's like a longer knife. I like it. And now we're gonna review him, Demolition Man. Silver and black. There's he's a robotic? Holy smokes. You can tell there's like a metal part of it right here. He's metal. He's a robotic too. Look at the boots. Nice. Looks really good. I love it. And now the face. Wow, look at his face. It looks like Crossbones, but not really. So I technically about Demolition Man, I want to see him in real life. I want to know what he looks like in real life. So probably they're gonna make a Captain America 4 where they introduce Taskmaster and Demolition Man. That would have been awesome. So now he has like a gun holder right here. You guys can see it, the gun holder where he puts his pistol. And so we're gonna put it in. Should put it right here. There you go. Put in his gun. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention that he carries shotgun bullets. When he ran out of ammo, he reloads. And then the knife, you're probably wondering, where does the knife go? The knife goes right here in the back. If you can see it, right here. So we're gonna put it closely. Hold on guys, just trying to figure out where I can put this thing. Oh, okay, there we go. There you go. There goes his knife, and we're gonna have him carry the shotgun. Hold on guys. Keep hearing these weird noises. And there you go. Here's Demolition Man holding the shotgun. Looks pretty badass. I love it. So if you guys want to know if you guys want to know where to find this figure, just try to go by every Target. If there's a Target nearby you, go to every Target, try to find it if you want it. It doesn't cost much. It costs like $20. It's not so bad. So if you guys want to look for these figures, try to look for every Target or Walmart, whichever, or Toys R Us, whichever. So yeah. So hope you guys love this video, and I'll do more toy reviews. I just got a lot more WWE figures yesterday. I'll do a review about that one. So hope you guys love it, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Boop.